emoji.
Okay, I know it's been a while since I put a video up. Okay, like I said in my previous video, going through some things, you know, but the good people at the VA, they're trying to help me out, you know. Um, the video I'm putting up now, I've I've still been in the kitchen, right? But I just haven't really been in the mood to do a full recipe. But I have, been experimenting with some things. And the last thing I experimented with was dry brining. I mean, I do it, but not as much as I should, in my opinion. Okay. So what I did is I dry brined a uh, pork tenderloin. Okay. I tied two of them together to make a whole roast. And I dry brine them. So the upcoming pictures are just going to be the results of me doing that. Now, later on, I will be revisiting this with a full video. I just don't know when I'll be able to do it, to be fair with you. So having said that, let's get on to it. Let's see what the results were. Tell me what you think.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.